We placed this security cage on one of our Airbnbs to keep kids safe around the outdoor AC unit, and it's been exactly what we needed. When little ones are playing outside, having that barrier gives us so much peace of mind, and it's one less thing we have to worry about checking on during a stay. What I really like is how easy it was to install. It didn't take much time or tools, and once it was in place, it just feels sturdy and secure. Guests have mentioned how thoughtful it is to have that added protection. It doesn't take away from the outdoor space visually, but it does give that extra layer of safety. For a rental where you want guests to feel comfortable and safe outdoors, this has been a practical and reassuring addition.
If this video helped you in any way, like it below and subscribe for more content like this. I left the product link in the description. Thanks for watching. Adios.